Are you struggling to get those perfectly crisp edges and sharp corners in your art? This is the selection tool, and it's about to change your life. In this video, I'll show you how to master this Procreate tool for ultimate precision. So here's how it works. Tap the S shape ribbon at the top to get started. The rectangle and ellipse options are great for geometry, and freehand is your best friend for custom shapes. Just draw any area, and now every stroke you make is locked inside that selection, giving you those razor-sharp edges every single time. But it gets even better. Look at the bottom menu. Use Add to expand your selection or Remove to cut pieces out of it for complex designs. And if you turn on Color Fill, Procreate will instantly fill your selection the moment you close the loop. And here's a pro tip. Want to select everything you've already drawn on a layer? Just tap your layer and hit select, or tap and hold the layer with 2 fingers. You can even use save and load over here to store complex selections for later. The selection tool is a total game changer for creating crisp, professional shapes. If you found this quick tip helpful, let me know in the comments. Or come and join me at Patreon to find more than 250 Procreate drawing and painting tutorials. Perfect if you want to level up your skills.